Hey everybody, I'm Chris with Stealth Cam and Muddy, and today I want to talk to you about some pretty simple tips that you can implement this year to maximize your camera's battery life. So cell cams have came a long ways over the years, as all of you know, but they are still more demanding on batteries than a regular digital camera. So first off, I think this is number one. I think if you're running a cell camera, you should really seriously consider hooking that cell camera up to some type of external battery source, whether that's a Stealth Cam or HME solar panel or a 12-volt battery box. And we even have 12-volt battery boxes that come equipped with solar panels. And I'll tell you what, with the price of batteries nowadays, you make that money back very quickly. So definitely something to consider. So if you're not in the market for an external power source, I think there's a few other things that you can do to maximize your battery life. First off, buy lithium batteries. So our cameras run with 8 AA's. Just make sure they're lithium. That's going to give you an increased battery life. Outside of that, the settings that you run your camera on can significantly increase or decrease your battery life. If you don't have it connected to that external power source, probably don't use on demand. Number two, when it comes to settings, is to not have your camera set up on instant or instant group. Instead, put it on hourly photo. I know I'm just like you guys, like I want those pictures as quick as I can, but if it's not connected to solar or an external battery pack, then I'm probably going to put it on hourly, twice a day or once a day, especially in the off season, to really maximize that battery life. You know, after that, looking at something as simple as maybe not doing such high photo burst or maybe doing a little bit longer delay between photos is the route to go. So those are some quick tips to maximize your battery life on your cell cameras. If you'd like to learn more, go to stealthcam or gomuddy.com.